apologize for not putting out any videos in a while. It's just that we've been really busy. I know you can't tell that the car's any different, but trust me, it is. And unfortunately, I've lost footage to what with the transformation, but we will go over it, and I will put this video out there and a couple others to show you what we've done. All right, well, we're doing pistons. Here we are. I'm gonna start this again. There's a 302. We got her all cleaned up, or 5.0 later. We got her all cleaned up. We're getting her ready to put together. Got the crankshaft in it. It spins 5 foot-pounds of pressure to spin it. It spins like butter, so that's great. I'd like to have been able to clean up the top deck a little bit better, but it is what it is. Being this thing has pits in the cylinder, I'm not going to sit and be scared. It did come out. I did put a flat edge on it. It did come out pretty good, so I'm not worried about it. Until it blows a head gasket, then I'll worry about it. But I don't think it will. Let's do it like this. I got him putting the rings on the pistons. He's doing a good job. It's a fight. He's got it though. And then once we get that done, she'll go together, and we'll use the weed eater to clean it. Yeah, no, we're not. Today's the day it's happening. We're removing this engine. Install that engine. Here it comes. Come on. Leave it run.
Should have done.
What?
Douse all these bolts and PB blasters.
Oh. Were you video? Did you turn the video on already?
No. You've probably been recording this
whole Let's go.
chicken bag.
Run number 1. We'll see if she starts.
You got the ignition on?
No, I don't got the ignition on. We filled the fuel bowl. We filled the fuel bowls up. We're gonna see if this thing kicks off. Go. It runs. Okay, this is where we're at. She's coming together. Lord, it's been a lot of work. Considering we're doing a suspension upgrade, we did a transmission upgrade, we did an engine upgrade, and now we're doing the rear end upgrade. Now this is us. I'm using 8.8 with the 373 gears to limited slip. We're gonna narrow this side to maybe match that side, because that's what you got to do in a 66. And we just got the pinion and everything out, which was a nightmare because life was a struggle. Where's that pinion bearing?
Ring and pinion too.
Okay. Life is never fun with these 8.8s when they got rust on them, because this thing rusted itself to the pinion gear, and we had to cut it and then hit it and crack it to get it out. That was not fun. But now he's going to trim off the mounts. We're going to cut this thing, clean it, paint it, reassemble it, stick it in the car. Sounds so simple, but it isn't. I wanted to show you the full build of the engine, but we lost the footage due to things. It's a real drag because this thing did come out decent. I only had one issue with one cylinder that had some pits in it from the machine shop, but it seems to be sealing up. We did make sure that everything was plastic gauged and measured, and it all came out fine, which surprised me. After we had to polish our own crank and whatnot, even though the guy was supposed to do it. The heads, I love these heads. These are Flowtech heads so far. I got Ferrara valves in them with Flowtech heads. I'm sorry. There's Ferrara valves in them with Trick Flow valve springs. So far, so good. I did the correct height on the valve springs, so that shouldn't be no issues or floating. But I mean, we've tacked this thing probably to $6 grand because it's fun to drive. You don't always pay attention to what you're doing. But that's where it's at. I'll give you more information on it later, but I'm sorry that we couldn't show you the build because it happened that way.